In this guide, I'll show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 10 without losing data. First, open your favorite browser and search for Windows 10 ISO download. Click on the first link that says Download Windows 10 Disk Image. If you don't see the option to download the Windows 10 ISO, click on the three dots at the top right of the Chrome browser. Go to More Tools, Developer Tools, and then select Network Conditions. And check the User Agent option, then select Chrome OS from the drop-down menu. Reload the page and you should see the option to download the ISO Windows 10. Choose Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO and select your language. Choose between 64-bit or 32-bit, and then click on Confirm and download the ISO file. While the Windows 10 ISO is downloading, open a new tab and search for WinCDE-MU. Click on the first link to download it. Once downloaded, right-click on it to Run as an administrator, and check the option that says Customize Installation and select Require Administrative Guides to mount images, and click on Install and wait for the installation to complete. Next, right-click on the downloaded Windows 10 ISO file. Click on Select Drive Letter and choose to mount the ISO, and then click on Yes to confirm. Once the ISO is mounted, right-click on it and select Run Setup. Click Yes and follow the on-screen instructions. Checkbox to accept the terms and conditions and enter the product key. It will be provided in the description, and then click on Next. Click on Next, click Install, and then wait for the installation to complete. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.